Welcome to the FMEA and RCM for Process Industry online training. So my name is Dr. Eduardo Calista. I would like to make this introduction about our online training. I have 18 years experience in reliability and safety, engineering, asset management, and I've been working for different projects in different industries such as oil and gas, railway, aerospace, and defense projects. So those are here some example of the company that I've been working since I started my career as an engineer. So I had a chance to implement different projects uh, concerning reliability and safety as well as asset management. Since 2015, the ECC, Eduardo Calist Consultants, was established in Germany with the mission to support potential clients with implementation of RUNS program, asset management, and safety engineering. So ECC provide consultant service training as well as some software solution for asset management. So we are focused on basically four different areas, subjects such as asset management performance optimization. In asset management performance optimization, we consider all the implementation of ISO 55000 and based on integrity pro solution and also the reliability engineering program. In this reliability engineering program, we have skills to implement different methodologies such as lifetime data analysis, runs fracas, warranty analysis, FMEA, RCM, RBI, and of course asset performance optimization and optimal replacement time. Concerning asset integrity, as we considering that's the reliability maintenance human factor and risk management are the basis for the asset integrity program. We have all the models and subjects to implement and discuss and support our clients in this such implementation. So by safety engineering, we consider all necessary safety analysis such as functional safety, hazards analysis, SEAL, occupational risk assessment, risk management, as well as some standards audits such as ISO 18001. Uh, Concerning integrated logistics support, we also support our clients concerning spare optimization, inspection, preventive maintenance optimization, life cycle cost optimization, and asset performance optimization. In order to achieve and support our clients, we have some partners. So Chinda is our partner in China, Enkelt is our supplier of asset integrity solution based on the Integrity Pro software, and our partner in Aberdeen, Scotland, and Rams Engineering in Asset Management is our partner in England, London, concerning RAM's implementation for railway industry. Let's take a look just about our team. Consultant team is a team with very experienced consultants. So I have already introduced myself. So Mr. Hall is a specialist in power plants and equipment reliability and maintenance specialist. Mr. Steve Scott, a specialist about inspection of integrity, set integrity management implementation, tank inspection. Mr. Paul Stewart is the CEO of from Incal, also our partners, and support us with maintenance, very experienced in maintenance for oil and gas industry platform offshore facility. Alexandre Botelho is our uh, specialist for inspection, maintenance, and reliability for offshore plants. Mr. Regis Coet is our specialist for design for reliability concerning uh, how to test, out test, and design FMEA as well, and all types of tests for product development. And of course, we have our teams in our team as well. Mr. Carl Butler is ILS expert and runs based on maintenance experts for aerospace and rail industry, and Mr. Fred Apple, our specialist for railway, so considering RAMs and asset optimization, as well as for aerospace. Let's take a look on the outline of our training. So our FMEA and RCM training are divided in 2 days. The first day we focus on FMEA. This training is divided in 7 modules. So the first module is a brief introduction. The second module encompasses all FMEA concepts and standards, basic concept to understand why to apply FMEA. Module 3 gives the concept about risk priority number and criticality. And module 2 we describe all different types of FMEA, such as system FMEA, design FMEA, process FMEA, and FMEA. Model 2 will describe the importance to manage the FMEA concerning the recommendation throughout the phases. In Model 6 we have a FMEA applied to fracas, and Model 7 we have FMEA application cases. On the second day of the training we have a first model maintenance concept, second model RCM concepts and standards. The third model give an introduction about RCM inputs to run analysis in order to model the preventive maintenance and check the effect on asset performance. The fourth model, the model 4, discussion about RCM inputs to LCC analysis, so how to model and consider the impact of cost of each preventive maintenance test defining RCM. Model 5 describe the RCM input to spare parts, another subject that's impact in life cycle cost, and is very important to be discussed. Model 6 describe the RCM management based on the recommendation that's come from RCM and how this recommendation become a reality in operational phase. Model 7 RCM input to asset management, so maintenance register. In this case we'll take a look on a little bit about the asset management solution, Integrity Pro. Model 8 RCM application case, so similar case that we applied during the FMEA. The first day we go further and develop our RCM. And in Model 9 we have the FMEA and RCM application software in a software case study. So everything that we saw in this model as case study, we'll take a look on software application. The advantage to have an online training is the chance that you have an opportunity to manage your time throughout a week to assess the videos in online training and apply and finish the training in longer time. So you don't need to dislocate it for other location or for a hotel, go to airports and fly to another country or even inside your country to attend the training. This training is very practical. Once you paid for a training, you get an access code, and then you are free for 1 week to look on the videos and go further in the training. So let's just take a look on the biography. The biography is the bestseller Gas and Oil Reliability Engineering Model Analysis. So you can find all the training content in chapter 3 that describe all the content of this training concerns FMEA and RCM. So in order to access the training, you need to go to website www.eduardocalisto.com, and then you get information how you go to online training, and you get information how to access. Once you're on the website, we need to click on online training. And since you are online training, you click in online training, you get in this page, welcome to online training. So you need to go down and you see the first training is FMEA and RCM for process industry. So on the left side, you find information about the payment. So you check the price of the training. That's not full price. Here is not including the tax that need to be paid, but it will be around 20%. So I believe this training will be around 1600. So we need to add to your card here and then process the payment. So the payment process can be done by credit card based on PayPal. So if you go through this procedure, you receive some messages, and since I received this message of the payments for the training, I will give you an access. As soon as I got the payment confirmation, I will give an access code, and then you'll be able to access the training files. You have the book reference as well. If you want to get the book, a copy, you just click in here and you go directly to the Elsevier copy. Okay, and then you can buy this book by electronic hard copy, electronic version, or a hard copy. And just go back to the website. So here is very important as well. Before to buy this training, need to take a look on online outline of the training as well as the training conditions. So the outline are all the as I explained before during this presentation introduction of the FMEA training, all the models that will be part of the training. And of course, you need to check the training conditions in order to be sure that you agree with all the conditions about this access and how long you have the access and so on. Okay, you can check also information about the trainer, that you can go here and check the trainer profile and all information about myself, my CV, my background, you get from here. So let's go back to the phase that we already paced the training. Okay, and now we have access. So since you've got the code, you go to the page that you have the training online. So again, you have access for the Excel sheets for the cases concerning FMEA and RCM. So you can download these cases, and later on when you've got access for some software FMEA RCM, you can apply this case study with the answers. Of course, depends on the software you have. Maybe you need some assistance. In this specific training, we apply the software from ReliaSoft, the RCM and FMEA from ReliaSoft. You see that during the training. So since you got access, you click on here, or even you get email for ECC Google Classroom. So in ECC Google Classroom, there are some trainings here defined, so you will have an access for the FMEA and RCM one, and then since you will have access for the FMEA training, you be in the training online space. Okay, so you go to about, and then you have all the videos that is on the outline of the training. So you need to go roll down and start from the beginning. So here is the introduction, the first video, the FMEA one. That is just an introduction about the ECC and the training outline. And here we have the training model. So if you click in here, you see that's come out a video, and then you can start the video and starting your. So I hope that you enjoy the FMEA and RCM training. You are able to make comments, and even if you have some questions, you can send by mail, by SEC, in an SEC website. So you can contact us and send some information in here. So be specific with information about the training that you have, and then I will answer you as soon as possible. Okay, so that's the introduction about FMEA and RCM training. So please contact us if you have some questions. So thanks. We are waiting for your contact, and we expect that you enjoy our training.